According to the agreement we offer free software for stuttering treatment called Stuttering.PRO. So, what does this program do? It does several things. First, it delays your perception of your own speech in order to break the increased activity and spastic readiness of Broca's area. It's called delayed auditory feedback. Second, it lowers the pitch of the voice, what, in its turn, relaxes our whole speech apparatus, especially vocal cords. It's called frequently auditory feedback. Third, it fixes the breaks that occur in the process of speaking, i.e., eliminates stuttering and stabilizes the speech circle. We speak as we can, while the program eliminates pathology of the speech circle and brings back to earphones our corrected speech. It's called conjugating auditory feedback. This is, by the way, our know-how. Fourth, the program modifies our speech by creating a so-called bisensor effect. This effect appears when the speech that goes to our ears comes in with a slight difference, and bisensor effect is based on Doppler effect. This difference activates the alpha rhythm of brain, a so-called quiet visual rhythm that causes relaxation of brain cortex, and this is our know-how too. Free of charge program Stuttering.PRO should be used for no less than 20 minutes, because according to our research, the vegetative restructuring occurs only after 20 minutes, and the real advantages of this program can be observed. It happens because the stereotype of correct speech and correct speech breathing get fixed. When we use this program, we triple the time of expiration. In other words, we automatically set the correct speech breathing, what is very important both for children and adults. Besides, it comes in a positive mode, i.e., a trainee does not have to control his breath. To be able to walk with the program, you should only use two buttons, start and stop. After pressing start, you should start reading a text. Later, you'll be able to have a slow conversation, but first just read, in order to get used to the program, to the fact that you follow the earphones. You will have a new sensation that you are speaking not the way you want it to, but the way it should be done. I'll show you how to work with the program so that you can see how it should be done and not be shy about it.
So, what does this program do? First, it delays your perception of your own speech in order to break the increased activity and spastic readiness of Broca's area. It's called delayed auditory feedback. Second, it lowers the pitch of the voice, what in its turn relaxes our vocal cords. It's could frequently shift auditory feedback that it fixes the bricks that occur in the process of speaking. It's called conjugating auditory feedback. I wanna know how. First, the program modifies our speech by creating by-sensor effect. This effect activates the alpha rhythm of brain that causes relaxation of brain cortex, and this is our know-how to.
I'd like to emphasize that this is quite a difficult process. The increase of expiration by 3 times is a pretty hard stress, especially in the beginning. As you know, no pain, no gain, and in order to correct your speech, you need to make some efforts. That is why I always recommend that parents try and see how the program works, and only after that give it to their child. The most important thing is to catch the feeling when the program leads you. Then you'll do well. In fact, it is so created that you have no way but to succeed. So, the minimal time to have a good positive effect is 20 minutes, and recommended time for adults is up to 50 minutes. To make your speech more fluent, you can train daily. Now about the effectiveness of the program. According to our data, in practically 90% of the patients, there are improvements in speech fluency, i.e., signs of logoneurosis and stuttering decrease. Complete cure of stuttering can be achieved by means of this free program in 25% of cases. Important. After the training session, the tempo of your speech should be normal. Thank you for your attention.